Hello students, today we start a new topic called fractions, which you have already done in class 6. In fact, if you want to recapitulate from class 6, I have almost put 10-12 video lesson on my class 6 mathematics video lesson, so you can check that. Here we will be having little harder problem in class 7. So this is my very first lesson, part 1. First video and exercise 3A, and next video you will see we do more harder sums. So first few minutes I'd like to just to recapitulate what you have done in class 6 and what we have in class 7. So what are fractions actually? So fractions are anything, like you will see something called rational number in class 7, class 8, class 9. Rational number and fraction, just let me tell you fraction, then I'll talk about rational numbers. So first let us see, fraction is actually part of the whole. Very important thing, part of the whole. Suppose one example I'll give you. Always we don't have the whole thing in the world. Okay, so suppose you have 16 slices of bread and we eat 3 slices. Suppose I had 3 slices. If somebody will say how much bread you had, I'll say 3 upon 16. Means out of 16 slices, 3 I had. What remains is 13 by 16. 13 pieces, 13 slices out of 16. So fractions are very important. Everything in the world is not natural number, whole number or integers. So they are part of the whole. Generally the part is smaller than the whole. So it's something numerator by denominator. Fraction you can take it as numerator by denominator, where numerator can be whole number. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, negative number we don't take, children. If you take negative integer here, then fraction becomes rational number. So if you can take negative here, then we move on to rational number. But fractions, generally they are 0 or positive. So numerator can be 0, natural number. Numerator can be whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but denominator, children, p by q should always be natural number. Denominator should not be 0, otherwise in maths what we call it is undefined or indeterminate. So remember, fraction is something part of the whole, something by something, numerator by denominator, but denominator cannot be 0. The difference between fraction and rational number is rational number can be negative when numerator and denominator are integers. In rational number it can be negative, and denominator should not be 0 in that situation of rational number also. Now this is what we are going to do. Note, first thing, product of fraction is product of fractions, in fact, is product of numerator upon product of denominator. So if you have 2, 3 fractions, we take, so this is what I'll do. But before I start the main exercise 3A, let me recapitulate some of the thing which we have done in 6. Number 1, like fraction has same denominator. Since it is in the book and concept unit, especially the last part, I am recapitulating it. Like fraction has same denominator, and like fraction has different denominator. Unit fractions, so fractions every place I am not writing, so try to understand that it is all are fractions. Unit fraction, numerator is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Okay, example you can take. So these are unit fraction whose numerator is 1. Proper fraction, very important, children. Proper, improper and mixed. Okay, they are very, very important. See, proper means, yes, part of the whole. 2 out of 3, 4 out of 5. So numerator is less than denominator. Yes, that is what is fraction all about. Part of the whole. Your part cannot be more than the whole, as we will see. So it's called improper. Part is more than the whole. A part is equal to the whole. So it's improper. In English language, you know, it's not proper. Proper means part of the whole. Part is generally numerator is smaller than denominator. Part of the whole. This is the main meaning of our word fraction. So part of the whole. Part is smaller than the whole. Numerator is less than the denominator. Then improper. Improper where? Where numerator is greater. Your part is greater than the whole. So this is improper, because we know fraction is part of the whole. So when part is more than the whole, it is improper, or it is equal to also. Numerator, so part of the whole, it is whole upon whole, which is 1. Full fraction is 1. So improper fraction numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Numerator is greater than, you see, 7 by 6, numerator is greater than denominator. 12 by 5, 17 by 13. 5 by 5, they are equal. So it is also improper, because proper fraction is fraction by its word, by its meaning is part of the whole. So I hope you have understood mixed. So now something very important which we have done. Please see my class 6 video if you have any doubt. I think 10-12 videos are there. How to convert this to this, and all the concept, because in class 7 we have basically 2 exercises. Okay, so class 6 I have done many things. If you want to understand the full thing, you can go back. You are in class 7, you can see class 6 also. Okay, you can go to my channel and click there. You will get all the class 6 videos there. Go to fraction and see. Last thing, mixed fraction is natural number plus a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is natural number plus a proper fraction. So this can be converted to this, mixed to improper, improper to mixed, because when you do simplification, children, you have to convert the mixed to improper. Once you get answer in improper, you have to convert the answer to mixed fraction. So these 2 conversions are very important, which I have done very nicely in many video lessons of class 6. So please pause the video, take a screenshot and copy. Then we move on to exercise 3A. So next we move on to the exercise 3.13A, and here we will use this. So after introduction, see, product of fraction is equal to product of numerator. So see this question 2 I am doing. Product of numerator by product of denominator. So first step is this. Okay, so we could have directly done, but this is how generally we do. Now whatever can be cancelled. So please children, in class 6 you have done, please cancel the common thing by taking HCF of the number. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. There's another prime factor method, 3 into 3 you write, 18 as 3, 2 into 3 into 3. They are very big, so take the HCF. And I'm going to make a very nice separate video on HCF and one on LCM, where I'll teach you all the methods, because they are very important. They are the main base of arithmetic. And how to do mentally also I'll teach you in my many. So there you will see in those video lesson it will be written, okay, mental maths with mental maths. So by looking only you will know, but you have to understand the full concept and how it is done. So very soon you will have my video lesson, one on LCM and one on HCF. So there you will understand HCF of 9 and 18 is 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Nothing else will cancel. Yes, 7 ones are 7. And tables, second thing children is tables. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So answer is 1 by 4. So first answer is 1 by 4. So write product of numerator, product of denominator, and in the final answer multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. See here, directly in the question you can do in second step, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Answer is 1. So you can do in the first step, I have done in the question itself. Now, first thing is to convert mixed fraction, I told you, into improper fraction. So you have any doubt, you can see my class 6 video lesson, 12 video lessons on fractions. 13 ones are 13 plus 1, 14 by 13 into, okay, 7 sevens are 49 plus 3, 49 plus 3, 52 by 7. So here first step I have just converted it into improper fraction. Next is, as I told you, numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator with denominator. So this is the main theme of the chapter. Now see what are the common terms. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. 2 4s are 8 will be our answer, because denominator we don't write 1. Okay, so 1 is understood, so we don't write. Next we go. So once more, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 13 1s are 13, 13 4s are 52. So here 7, question number 8. So first step, like before, I convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. You can take a screenshot, you can copy, you can pause the video. Then I move on to question number 8. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29 by 4 into 7 by 58 into 21. 1s are 21 plus 11 is 32 by 21. Next step is multiply all the numerator with numerator and all the denominator with denominator. Okay, so next, see what we cancel. See, 29 is a prime number. 29 1s are 29, 29 2s are 58. So this you have to see. I told you table up to 20, but later on also you have to be good in mental maths and see. If you double it, you will get 59. If you triple it, you get 97. So beyond 20 also you have to try to do it mentally. 4 8s are 32. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So what we are left with? 8 in the numerator, 1 into 8, 1 into 1 into 8, and down we have 3 2s are 6. So if you cancel this, you get 4 by 3. Okay, cancel with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. You will get 1 by 3 for question number 8. So, or here I could have cancelled it over here also, children. Here I did not see, you could have cancelled it for 1s are, so we would have got directly 4 by 3, which is 1 by 3, but it was not wrong. 8 by 6 also you can do, but since we are cancelling, we should have cancelled it over there. So kindly pause the video and or take a screenshot and copy. Then we move on to the next questions. Next we move on to question 10. You see here, same thing, we have to find the product. Convert it first into improper fraction, because then only we can multiply, divide, simplify. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 into 16 2s are 32 plus 3, 35 by 16 into 2 7s are 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. So as I taught you, take product of all the numerator upon product of all the denominator. Okay, so what can be cancelled? 7 5s are 35, 16 cancels. Is there anything else? So we get here this question, if you see question 10, 7 1 by 4, children, this is 1 by 4, so this will be 29 by 4. Okay, so this is 29 by 4. So what we get here, so 7 5s are 35, 16 1s are 16, 16 1s are 16. So we get here, if you see, children, 29 5s are 145 by 4. So see, small silly mistake I did not see the question properly. So always see and recheck the question. Okay, so if your question is wrong, answer will 100% be wrong. So check the question again, then you solve it. So 145 by 4, if you convert 145 divide by 4, 3 is 12, 2 5 6 are 24. So we get 36 1 by 4. So if you check the answer, I think you will get 36 1 by 4. So once more we convert improper mixed to improper. We write all numerator with all denominator, and finally we get improper fraction answer. We convert it to mixed fraction. And generally when you write 1 by 4, see in between you put the line, not up not down. 36 6 between just you put. So kindly copy. Just I am rubbing this because I have to do other questions. You can pause, you can take screenshot and copy. Then I move on to question number 11C. This is basically, you will see, is distance, and physics first chapter also. If you see, distance is speed into time. So anyway, here we are going to use the concept of multiplication. So this is not time. This is in 1 liter it goes this much, in this many liter how much it will go. So this is not distance speed into time, what we have physics and in maths also, but here we are applying idea of fraction in solving problem sums. So from question 11 onward, few I'll solve here, 1 or 2. Next video lesson, second part, you will see I'll solve more, where we see how we apply concept of fractions in solving day-to-day problem, especially multiplication and division. Addition, subtraction, you have done that in class 6. So 1 liter it goes this. So distance traveled, okay, when you have 42, 3 by 5 liter of petrol will be that many times. So this into, in 1 liter car goes 12.5 kilometer. So this much kilometer car will travel. 1 liter this much, this many liters more. More in fraction here in this situation means, children, multiplication. So like before, we convert it into improper fraction. 42 3s are 43s are 120, 3 2s are 6, 120 plus 6, 126 plus 3, 129 by 3 into 2 12s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. If anything it's cancelling, we cancel. So I doubt we are getting. So question is, in 42 3 by 5 liter, 42 3 by 5 liter. So this will be, if you see, 213 by 5. Okay, 42 3 by 5. I overlooked. So 42 5s are 210 plus 3, 213 by 5. Now this will cancel. 5 5s are 25. Okay, this was 5, therefore it cancelled. 3 it could not be cancelled. So now you get 213 5s are, you can multiply over here. 213 5s are will be 3 5s are 15, carried 1, 5 1s are 5 1 6, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. So you will get this much, 1065 by 2. So if you divide it by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So I get 532.5 kilometer is your answer. So please pause the video, copy, and you can take a screenshot also for this. So you will get 532.5 kilometer it will travel when you have 42 3 by 5 liter of petrol. So you see children, in today's lesson we have understood how to find product of fractions. Question 1 to 10 half I have done. You can try another other half, and one problem sum I did where car travels this much in 1 liter, how much it will travel in this 42 3 by 5 liters of petrol. So in my next video lesson I will do more problem sums to clear your concept. So till now you practice up to 10, see the solved example, and thank you children for watching.